Tracking your forecast, I'm Chief Meteorologist Amber Sellens. It is warming up as we head into the weekend, and tomorrow is going to be another day in the mid-90s. But mid-90s is normal for this time of year. In fact, our 30-year average is right at 94 degrees, which is what we expect here in Phoenix tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures are looking nice, but the winds are going to be a problem here across the valley and across the state. Breezes will pick up, gusts at 20 to 30 miles per hour across the valley, and even stronger winds as Futurecast shows here up to the north, out to the northwest, down south and out east. Pretty much all around us, those winds are going to be higher than they will be here in the valley, and that is prompting some wind advisories for northern and northwestern Arizona from 11 a.m. until 11 p.m. tomorrow. Gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour in those locations, and pretty close to that along the rim and in the White Mountains tomorrow, where we expect fire danger to be high. Dry conditions and gusty winds, that is going to lead to some red flag warnings here along the rim into the White Mountains. And then we also have a fire weather watch for southeastern Arizona for Sunday. That could be upgraded to a red flag warning too as we get closer. Now, the storm systems we're tracking really far north at this point. There might be a few spotty rain showers north of I-40 on Sunday, and then maybe up near the Four Corners on Monday. But chances are looking pretty slim here across the state to see any measurable rainfall out of these back-to-back storms that'll be passing by. It's really just all about the wind and some slightly cooler air, and then high pressure takes over and brings the triple digits back to our forecast for the middle to end of next week. Tomorrow, 92 in Mesa, 93 degrees in Gilbert, 90 out in Apache Junction. You'll notice lows all across the East Valley in the low to mid 60s tonight. West Valley 2 down to 64 in Levine, 66 in Peoria, and 63 out at Luke Air Force Base. We've got temperatures in the 90s across the valley, and even up a little farther north. We'll be at 90 degrees in Deer Valley, Anthem at 87, and Wickenburg to the northwest at 85 degrees. Now, across the state tonight, temperatures are dropping into the 30s and 40s across the high country. It looks like we're going to stay above the freezing point, but just barely in Flagstaff. Tomorrow, 65 there, 70s in Prescott, Sedona, and Payson, and 72 in Show Low as those winds pick up again. Here's the next 7 days, and again, our coolest day comes Sunday after those winds increase. We're down to 89 degrees in Phoenix, 59 up in Flagstaff, but a big warm up next week. Triple digits back starting Wednesday.